Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own custom emoji in Slack by navigating through the workspace administration settings, the best way to manage your team's visual language in bulk. Step 1. Open the admin menu. To access the customization dashboard in the 2026 Slack layout, you'll start from the sidebar's administrative hub. Look at your left-hand sidebar and click the Admin gear icon. This will open a drop-down menu. Select Edit Workspace to be redirected to the Customize Your Workspace page in your web browser. This dashboard is where you control the fun side of your Slack, from custom icons to emoji libraries. Step 2. Navigate to the Emoji tab. Once the customization window opens in your browser, you'll need to head to the specific section for reactions. Locate the tabs across the top of the page and click on Emoji. This page displays your workspace's entire history of custom emojis. You can search through existing ones or see who uploaded that party parrot everyone is using. To add your own, click the large Add Custom Emoji button. Step 3. Upload and name your creation. Now you're ready to finalize your custom reaction so your team can start using it. Click Upload Image to select your file, then enter a unique name in the text field. The file, use a square image, PNG or GIF under 128 kilobytes. Your name must be lowercase with no spaces. Click Save. Your new emoji will now appear at the top of the list and will be instantly available to everyone in the Workspace emoji picker. And that's pretty much it. To add a custom emoji as an admin in 2026, click the Admin gear icon in the sidebar, select Edit Workspace, and go to the Emoji tab. Upload your square image, give it a lowercase name, and hit Save to update your team's reaction toolkit. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.